Hello guys, welcome to the final episode of my series of videos on reviewing article spinners and rewriters. So we have here Spin Rewriter, WordAi, SpinnerChief, Chimp Rewriter, and a SpinnerChief desktop version, and the best spinner. I've individually reviewed all of these already, and you can check them out on my channel or on my website. The links are below, and I have produced a bunch of articles which you guys can see and compare yourselves, the quality and uniqueness of the articles. I've used Copyscape to compare the articles. Here I am at my comparison website, and we're getting ready to crown the top article spinning tool. And once again, I've tried them all. I am a big user of article spinning, and I've done a comprehensive review on video of each one of these 5 tools, and you can see them on my website. And the king of article spinning tools is Spin Rewriter. Here is the king, my #1 pick as the top article spinning tool on the market right now. I used Spin Rewriter a couple years ago for the first time, and instantly it blew my mind. It created the best rewritten content I've ever seen, and I purchased it almost right away, and till this day I am still a subscriber of Spin Rewriter. It is web-based, and there's nothing to download or install. All the updates are free. They are still the king of article spinning tools. And in second place is the best spinner. It does live up to its name as the best spinner. Well, close to being the best. It's actually #2 on my list. But if only it was a web-based version, or included a web-based version, it can easily take the #1 spot, no doubt about that. Spin Rewriter is $77 a year, and the best spinner is $47 a year, but I have a special coupon where you can get it for $37 a year. So it's half the price of Spin Rewriter, and it produces almost the same quality of rewritten articles to the Spin Rewriter, and again at half the price. And #3 is Chimp Rewriter. It's not as popular as Spin Rewriter or the best spinner, but it is very similar in article quality production. It only comes as a downloadable software, and the price is $99 a year, which is more expensive than the other two. And SpinnerChief is #4. I think this tool has the most features, bells and whistles compared with the other 3. It has both a downloadable software version, which is very buggy and quite a hassle to install, and a web-based version, which I really like. The quality of the articles produced was pretty good, except for it has a lower level of uniqueness compared with the others. And the price is $88 a year, which is not too bad. So it's a good article spinner. And now #5, the most surprising review for sure, since WordAi is the most expensive out of the bunch at $347 a year, and they claim to be the most intelligent, human readable quality articles produced. However, as you can see in my review video, it is not what as they claim. I was totally not impressed. Under basic readable settings, WordAi produced a highly readable article, but the uniqueness was barely around 20% or less, so it was almost the same as the original article. They barely changed it. And if I start messing with their sentence shuffling and paragraph shuffling, even under readable setting, it produced a unreadable, low quality article. And again, you can see that in my video. Even though I would make the most affiliate commission with WordAi at $347 a year or $50 a month in membership fees. I would be making quite a bit with WordAi, but I cannot recommend it. Any of these other four I would recommend, and of course I would recommend either SpinnerWriter or the Best Spinner as my top recommendations, of course. But WordAi, I definitely don't recommend it. The most important thing I considered when choosing an article spinner is the automatic rewriting feature or the automatic spinning feature. So I want to just use an article and have it automatically be spun and rewritten, and that's how I measure each one of these article spinning tools. So for example, here I have article about stress management, and I used the same article and tested it on each one of the article spinner. And this is SpinnerWriter, and this is the Best Spinner. So under the best settings, which is the most readable article, I got a 30% article uniqueness, and let's compare that with SpinnerWriter, 50% uniqueness under the best setting. So that's what I want. I want a quality article under the best settings, and I want to make sure it's unique, so that way I can use it on my websites without worrying too much about duplicate content. So here's ChimpWriter, 26% article uniqueness. Here's SpinnerChief under the best setting, 35%. And WordAi, we have 25%. So the best so far is SpinnerWriter under the highest quality setting. We have the best uniqueness. So let's check out the next article. So we have another article about internet marketing, and under the best setting we have almost 70% article uniqueness. The best spinner, we have almost 70%. That's why these are my top two. And under ChimpWriter, we have 30% article uniqueness. SpinnerChief, we have the lowest so far, 16%. And WordAi, oh nope, this is the lowest, 11% readability. So they pretty much, WordAi barely even changed the article. It's pretty much a duplicate article with only 11% unique. So as you can see, WordAi has the worst results. And let's do the last article. So this is about a web hosting article, and under the best setting on SpinnerWriter we have 63%, which is really good. 70% or above would be ideal. And the best spinner got 52%. ChimpWriter, we have a low 30%. SpinnerChief, we have 30%. So that's why SpinnerChief and ChimpWriter are pretty close in my opinion. That's why they both got around a 3.9 out of 5 stars. And SpinnerWriter and the Best Spinner sets themselves apart when it comes to having the most readability and uniqueness compared with all the others. And let's go to WordAi. 20%, again the lowest. So 2 out of 3 articles, WordAi have the lowest article uniqueness compared with all the other tools. And you guys can check out all these articles and make your own comparisons. I even spun articles under the medium setting and the most unique, and in the most unique, and personally I never use articles under the most unique settings because it spits out a non-readable, gibberish, very bad article. And even under very unique settings, WordAi still isn't even that unique. As you can see here, barely become 50% on all three of these test articles. And with Spin Rewriter under very unique, which is the lowest readability, is always a high 90% if you really want unique articles. Again, they are not very good to read. So there you have it, folks. That's my ultimate comparison into finding the best of the best article spinning tools on the web. Spin Rewriter is the number one, and a close second place, the best spinner. And again, you can get the best spinner for $37, which is $10 off with my special coupon. And Spin Rewriter has a 5 days free trial period. I highly recommend you just try it out for 5 days, and you also get my special bonus for buying any of these article spinning tools. 1 million PLR articles, stock photos, music tracks, video graphics, marketing graphics, and you get this free for everybody that buys through my link. And thanks again for watching my ultimate comparison video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, How to Webmaster, for more internet marketing videos, tips and tricks, and more internet marketing review videos on other tools like SEO, email marketing, and other traffic generation softwares and programs. Okay, thank you, and happy spinning.